part 2 of what I'm now going to call my Bethany Frankel Drugstore Makeup Challenge. We'll start with the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. This guy right here. Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup SPF 20. Many of her videos, she goes on and on and on about the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. What's a girl to do? I had to get both, right? The next product I found that Bethany liked, Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter by Wet n Wild. The Joa Crystal Glow Refreshing Luminizer Skin Mist. And that's it, folks. That's all that's left in my local CVS because of Bethany. Oh wait, I almost forgot. The L'Oreal True Match Lumi Healthy Luminous Makeup and True Match Lumi Glotion, which I had already discovered. I didn't need Bethany for that.